Alright everyone, and welcome back to the video. So in this portion of the video, let's get into my first impressions with the Skullcandy Sesh Evo truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now, this is not going to be like my traditional unboxing and first impressions videos, because this truly was an impromptu unboxing, first impressions, and full review. Let me give y'all a little bit of backstory and give a few shout outs here, okay? So, if y'all don't know, most of my videos on the channel are completely scheduled, okay? Because I used to run into the problem that I used to put out content directly when I was finished, and there would be big periods of no activity on the channel. Alright? So I was like, okay, we gotta wise up and we gotta start putting out content in a regularly scheduled fashion. That's why a lot of the content on my channel is scheduled. This way I could bring y'all weekly content, and also that means y'all get regularly scheduled content, and that gives me the ability to always have funds for the next piece of content or product that we're going to cover. But every so often, when I do like a sponsored deal or a sponsored video, or my family want to chip in and they want to send me something out to review because they think I might enjoy it and they want to see me talk about it on the channel, that's when we get videos like this. Okay? So the next set of earbuds that I had originally scheduled to come in were the Skullcandy Push Actives, but a family member of mine decided that they want me to do some coverage on these bad boys right here, and they shipped it out to me. And I literally just went to go get it off my porch. Literally. Like, they shot me the text message. They was like, yo, I think there's a package outside. And then, lo and behold, I opened the package, and it says, this is for you from such and such. So, I gotta cover it. Like I said before, you never, when you're a content creator, you never turn down the opportunity to produce content. Because you never turn down the opportunity to experience something and share your opinion. Alright? So, a big shout out and a big thank you is going out to one of my favorite cousins. I know I'm not supposed to have favorites, but I got favorites. Okay, I got a lot of cousins. I do have my favorites. So, big shout out and big thank you going out to my favorite cousin. You know who you are. I'm not going to say no names. I'm not going to say no names. I don't want to put their business out like that. But, low-key, they might have a YouTube channel that they're going to be starting real soon. And it may or may not have to do with food. And for those of you who don't know, I used to be extremely overweight. I was a big foodie. Alright? So I used to love eating Chinese food, different types of chicken, different types of fast food, any type of specialty food. I used to love it. I used to be really overweight. I'm 170 pounds now. But at my heaviest, I was like 294. But we had to get our act together. We had to get healthy. And we had to cut that out. But I love food. And so low-key, one of my family members real soon might be starting up a cooking channel. And if they do get that first video off the rails, I got to do some promoting. I got to share the love. So if they do put that video out, I will link it down below in the video description of this video, and that will let you know which family member sent these out to me. Big shout outs, big thank you, cuz greatly appreciated. Never turn down the opportunity to produce and bring you guys and gals content. But let's get into this video. Let's get into these first impressions. Let's go. Sorry if that was a little drawn out. Kind of excited back here if you can't tell, but let's get into this. Alright, so these are the Skullcandy Sesh Evos, right? And this is one of the more budget offerings coming out of Skullcandy. Now they do have a variety of different priced products, ranging from budget offerings to extremely flagship and or expensive. And this is one of their more budget offerings, offering a well-rounded feature set. Now, I'm not going to have the traditional cards thrown up like I always do, because I went through most of the important stuff that y'all needed to know when I was going through the unboxing. That's why I kind of went through some of that stuff slow so you guys and gals can see it. But if need be, if I need to throw up different annotations and title cards throughout this video so y'all learn about key features or key specifications, I will. But where I don't have to, I won't. This is going to be like an impromptu video. We're not going to have all that traditional regular stuff that you guys and gals are used to. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright? But these are the budget options from Skullcandy. These are the Hesh 2s. And they come in a really affordable price. So at the cheapest in used, new, refurbished, brand new condition, you can get these for about 25 bucks. And in brand new, mint condition, unopened, how y'all saw them when I unboxed them, you can get these for about 40 bucks. So these right here were purchased brand new for 40 bucks. Okay? I'll have the links, as I always do, down below in the video description, and as always, those will be affiliated links, meaning that I do get a small percentage of kickback at no additional cost to you guys and gals. Alright, along with any and all extended coverage that I do on these, always feel free to check down below in the video description if your interest is piqued and you'd like to know more. Alright, it just is what it is. Alright, so that being said, y'all can see I do have the case charging. And y'all did see, if you checked out the other portion of the video, this particular case does not have wireless charging, but it does charge via USB Type-C. So I love to see that. Say it with me, y'all. One cable to rule them all. USB Type-C, all the things. Also, and this is very important, it comes with your different size ear tips. Okay? So out of the box, I do believe it comes with the large tips installed, or those might be the mediums. These might be the mediums or the largest, but then you can see we do have the smalls and or the mediums right here. I'm not entirely sure which size this is. Those actually, okay, yeah. So these look like the largest, and those look like the mediums, and these are the smalls. So it comes with your different size ear tips out of the box. And as I always recommend, you definitely want to take your time, go through the included ear tips, and find the absolute best ear tip for you, because that's going to help with the overall comfort, the overall fit, and the overall sound quality and bass. So it's very important that you find the best ear tips for you when we talk about picking up earbuds, because those are very crucial experiences, and if you don't get the best fit, you're not going to have the best overall experience. Okay? Now, that being said, let's go ahead and try these bad boys on, and I'm going to give you my overall first impressions of the fit and the feel, and then we're going to wrap the video up. So this is the right earbud. You can see it right there. Okay? And I do believe it drops in like this. Alright, so let's drop this in. Okay? And that bad boy is in there. And here we have the left earbud. And you can see it's labeled right there. So you can see it's the left earbud. And it goes in the same way. Alright, so it goes in like this. And let's drop this in. Okay, give me a second. Alright. And it goes right in there. Right in there. Okay, so let me do a real quick shake test. Well, first off, let me start with the built-in sound cancellation here. So putting them in, I could tell y'all right now, I can't hear myself talk at all. I can't hear my AC going. I can't hear anything. So the natural sound isolation on these is really good. And I do apologize if I'm yelling, because I can't hear nothing. I can't hear anything. Alright? So let's do a quick shake test here. Okay. Oh, gave myself a headache. Woo. Okay, very vigorous shake test. They did not move at all. Alright, so first impressions of the overall fit and feel. They feel very comfortable, and the fit is top notch, is solid. I don't even think I got to change out the ear tips. I think whatever ear tips came on them out of the box are the perfect ones for me. Now, that being said, let me take a real quick picture of the profiles so y'all can see what they look like. So, iPhone XS on deck here today. And let's fire up the selfie camera here. Let's do this. And let's do the front profile. Okay. Let's do the side profile. And let's do the other side. Okay. Let me check these out. Okay. All right. Now let me show y'all. So if you look, here's the front profile, and you can see, you can definitely tell that I have earbuds in my ears here. Okay. But that's mostly because of the color, but you can see they do stick out ever so slightly around the sides. Okay. So people are definitely going to be able to notice that you have earbuds in your ears. So that's the front profile. Here's one side. You know, that's not bad. You can see it rests in my ear canal very, very nicely. And again, I got that very nice snug fit. So that's one side. And then here's the other side. Again, really nice overall fit here. My bad, y'all. Really nice overall fit right there. Good stuff indeed. So let me show y'all one more time. Front profile. Okay. Here's one side. And there's the other side. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Alright, put that down. Let me pop them out. Okay, yeah, now I can hear myself talk. So we just pop them out real quick and rest them down. Alright. And that pretty much does it, guys and gals. So once again, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Skullcandy Sesh Evo truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds, right? Now, y'all know what I'm going to do. We're going to put these through the paces, and we're going to come out with all the videos that we need to come out with. So we're going to come out with the microphone test video. We're going to come out with the fit and sound demo, and everything is going to culminate in the overall full review, where I'm going to tell you guys and gals if these earbuds are worth picking up. All right? So y'all stay tuned for the content as it comes out, and y'all stay tuned for that full review. Y'all know how we do, and all the stuff in between. All right? That pretty much does it for this one. This video here today has been recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 720p with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. Okay? And as always, if this video did pique your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, all the affiliated links to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, I hope everyone found this video helpful. I hope you guys and gals are having a great day out there. Hope everyone is staying safe, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.